Hey, what's up guys, this is Virginio. So today I'll be showing you how to live stream using your GoPro on Facebook or YouTube. On Facebook it's relatively easy, you can just use your GoPro to live stream, but on YouTube you need to have at least 1000 subscribers to live stream from your mobile and this GoPro as well. I have this GoPro Hero 8 which I recently bought. So to start doing live streaming, you need to at first install GoPro app on your mobile, have Facebook or YouTube, whichever platform you want to live stream from, and then you need to connect your GoPro app with your GoPro and you can live stream from there. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So let's connect this GoPro using my GoPro app. So I have connected my GoPro using my phone. So when you scroll, you will find an option of live streaming over here in this app. If you are using this app to connect to Facebook for the first time, then it will ask you permission and you just need to allow. Select the network and choose your privacy. For now I'll just use private, and for topic I will use GoPro live streaming, and resolution I will just use 1080p. It should be ready in some time for my live stream. I'm live here now. Obviously it has some lag. This GoPro also shows live over here. Anyways, so I have shown you how to live stream using your GoPro. Now I will just stop and then it will stop the live stream. So for YouTube you need to have at least 1000 subscribers if you want to live stream.